Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You may be wondering what time it is, and to that I would say 2:30. And you may be wondering, Jasmine, why are you up at 2:30? And that would be because my flight is at 6 a.m. and also I have to finish my finals because I didn't do that. So hopefully on the plane I will be able to finish them so that I can fully enjoy Miami. And I'll take you along. Alright, so my friends just landed and I'm about to see them. It's been over 2 years. I could not be more excited. Okay, so they're here. We cannot find each other. We're meeting at the car rental place. I'm almost there now, so... Oh? Oh? So a little update because a lot has happened since I last updated y'all. So I finally found them. It was awesome. But we realized that none of the car rentals were going to be available because we hadn't registered for a car. And so we ended up taking this taxi to this place that was like a car rental place, except for when we got there was nothing there. And it was just a sketchy gas station. And the taxi guy had already said it was going to be like over $20. And he only drove us like 10 minutes. We just were like, can you just drop us off at this restaurant? So he dropped us at the restaurant. We ate lunch. And then we called this other enterprise. And they said they had a car for us on hold. Well, we got there and we waited in line for 45 minutes, even though we had made an appointment for 2. And we got there at 2. And so then we finally got in and they were like, oh, we don't have the car yet. So you're gonna have to wait an hour. So we waited another hour and then we finally got the car. It's a really nice Camry and we had to drive here, and our Airbnb is like 45 minutes from the airport. So we finally got here. It's absolutely beautiful. Right now I am going to grind out my last finals, finish them up, and be done with my junior year of college. And Yadira and Naomi are at the store getting food. So yeah, I will update you later, but that's what's going on. And it was kind of crazy and we're all like very frazzled, but we made it. It's beautiful and I'm so excited.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
We're going to the
Beach time!
See us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Now my life is sweet like... How does the song go?
Now my
Life is sweet like cinnamon.
Like a fucking dream I'm living in.
You look just way too bad. to be in this car. Like good bad, like a baddie.
Oh, I thought you meant like bad. I was like, okay, should I take it off?
No.
This is me. I feel like I own like a boat, and my husband is rich.
Sunrise, no destination, no lie. I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside. If you and me only see us in our dreams, I'm outside.
He whispered in my ear and he pulled me oh so close. He covered up my face. He said, I wanna let you know, don't let the sun. You know the sun sets every evening, but I'll never leave you. Yeah, don't let the sun.
Out here, out just running.
Out here,
Out here living our best
taking
life.
photos.
You do. Yeah. I have to get hype. Oh, I was deleting. I don't know I'm recording. I was deleting pictures.
Woo woo!
Winds with you when you feel alone at night. I'd like to be your lullaby, the white noise you hear when you close your eyes. Sun on your lips just don't feel right. Yeah, don't let the sun kiss you before I do. Yeah, the sun sets every evening, but I'll never leave you. Oh, don't let the sun kiss you before
Smile.
but I'll never leave you. You're like the rain in the morning, the way you clear all my worries. You're like the drugs I'm prescribed, I need to be with you daily. A silver light in the sky, a holiday in my mind, a reason for me to try. You're like the moon on the tide, I'm far away but you're pulling. Gravity's losing its mind, the way you lift on my feelings. Can't find the words to describe, but with you everything's right. Yeah, don't let the sun kiss you before I do. Yeah, the sun sets every evening, but I'll never leave you. Oh, don't let the sun kiss you before I do. Yeah, the sun sets every evening.